over the Barron Gorge National Park. It was named after the Barron Gorge that we can see in the distance. That's where you folks are going to next. It's about 15 minutes on the Skyrail, and you've got two beautiful lookouts over the waterfall. So to the local Jabbergaw people, this waterfall is a very special and sacred place. In their local language, they call it Din Din. So from here to about 10 kilometers west is the edge of the wet tropics rainforest. It then transitions into a much more drier and arid ecosystem with more eucalyptus trees and grass. From north to south, this is a really important wildlife corridor for the plants and the animals to be able to move freely, and the sea and wide, keeping the biodiversity of the rainforest very, very rich. We have lots of seed dispersers. In the skies we have the birds and the fruit bats that eat the fruits, fly over, drop the seeds. Lots of animals in the trees doing the same. Whereas on the land we have an amazing bird called a cassowary. Has anyone ever seen a cassowary in real life?
No.
Not yet? Cool.
What do they look like?
You have?
Locals.
The locals, nice. Where did you see yours?
Crossing the road, yeah. Yeah, I've seen one crossing the road just on the...
In Kuranda, on the road there, epic. So it's very, speaking of that, it's really important when we are driving in this area to always keep scanning the sides of the road, because a lot of the wildlife does cross the road. So the cassowaries, the females can grow as tall as me. They are the third tallest flightless bird. It goes ostrich, emu, and then cassowary. As a species, they date back 45 million years, so they have evolved with this rainforest. Whereas us modern day humans, we have arrived here way later. So our stomachs are very different to theirs. They have this amazing stomach that can digest over 200 different species of plants, whereas a lot of these plants can be quite toxic to us humans. So don't eat anything you don't know what it is, because it can upset your tummy one way or the other. Whereas the local Jabbergaw people, they have figured out which plants are edible, which ones are not, different ways to take out the toxins, and a huge variety of bush medicine as well. So the cassowaries, they have a very interesting parenting style. Generally they just cruise around by themselves for most of the year, eating fruit, dropping seeds. They also may eat little frogs and lizards and fish and maybe some decaying animals, but mostly their diet is all fruit. So in mating season, which goes from May to November, and then the male stays with the female until she lays her eggs. It's a clutch of 3 to 5 eggs about this big. As soon as she lays her eggs, that's all her mom duties done. She says, "See you later, darling. Have a great life. Good luck with the kids." Continues her rainforest life.